Roblox added this thing a while back called ad UIs. And ad UIs basically are screen UIs that allow you to play ads on them. And this can actually generate revenue for your game depending on how many visits you get. So let me show you how to make one. Just add a part, scale it up, and then afterwards select an ad UI, press Adorni, and click on the part. Now it's on the part, but we have to make sure that it's on the right side. So the way you do that is we just right click, press show orientation indicator, and now it will show you which side the part is facing. So if this is the front side, we can actually change the ad UI to be on like the left side, which would be right here. So if this is facing front and we go to the left side, it would be this way. So change that to left, and now it looks like that. And if it still says invalid aspect ratio, we can just scale it down to 16:9, just like that. And this is the perfect ratio for it. And then you can just scale it up, and this will keep the ad UI. So now that we have this ads UI, this will play ads. We can also enable video ads to true if we want it to play video ads. And games like Please Donate actually use these, and it actually makes a lot of money. But on small games, this really isn't going to make you anything. So it's not the best feature if you really want to make money, but it does give you a little bit if your game has a lot of visits. And also they check if people are actually clicking and looking at these ads. So that's another way that determines how you make money. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you're going to use these in your game. They seem like a cool way to make money, but they might not be very reliable. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.